Hello and welcome to Quizify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect customer emails and send them email notifications. So very first, go to your quiz edit page and here you have the user form. So make sure you have that form enabled and you are collecting their email. So only if you will be able to send the email notification to users if they provide this email. Now go to the email notification tab. So very first is email notification for yourself. If you want to collect emails every time when someone submit the quiz or form, then you can register here and give your name and email and save. Next is customer email notification. So once you enable this one, you have the options like send them immediately after they submit the quiz or form, or send them after a few hours. Here are a few options. And then you have this option called reply to address. So if someone receives this email and they want to reply you back, then this is the email where that email will come. And here you can give the subject for this email. Here are the some placeholders. It's very useful to make emails more dynamic and personalized. You can use first name, last name or other details to use in your email template like this. So user who get this email will find it more personalized. And this is the template which you can edit. You can add your logo, you can add your content, and then once everything is updated you can save. Also you can add image and other stuff from here. And finally, once your email template is ready, you can preview how it looks and then you can save and start sending emails. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.